In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webex Chat. To begin, the first step is to launch Webex. You can do this by finding the Webex application on your computer or device. Once located, simply click on it to open. As the application loads, you may see a welcome screen that provides an overview of its features. This is essential because launching the application properly ensures you can access all its functionalities without any interruptions. Once it is up and running, you will be greeted by an intuitive interface designed to facilitate your communication needs. This initial setup is crucial as it sets the stage for efficient messaging and collaboration. Next, you will need to click the messaging icon on the left menu. This icon usually resembles a speech bubble or chat symbol. When you click on it, the messaging interface will open up, displaying your recent chats and available contacts. This step is important because accessing the messaging section allows you to begin engaging with your colleagues and team members. You will see a clean layout that organizes your conversations, making it easy to find previous messages or start new ones. This layout enhances your workflow and keeps your communications organized. Now let's move on to creating a direct message. Click the plus icon at the top of the messaging interface. This will prompt you to select Create a Direct Message. Once you choose this option, a new window will appear. Here you will type your contact's name or email in the provided field. As you enter this information, the system will suggest contacts, allowing for quick selection. After selecting your contact, you can start typing your message. This step is vital because it enables direct communication, ensuring messages reach the intended recipient efficiently. This direct messaging feature streamlines your interactions, making it easy to connect without navigating through multiple menus. From there, you can create a space for group discussions. Click the plus icon again and select Create a Space. This option allows you to name the space, which can reflect the project or team you are collaborating with. Next, you can add multiple team members by typing their names or emails. When you're ready, click Create to launch a collective group chat. This is especially important as it fosters collaboration among team members, allowing everyone to share insights and updates in real time. Creating spaces helps keep discussions organized, ensuring that all relevant information is in one place. With your group chat established, it's time to enhance your communication using the text formatting toolbar located right under the typing field. This toolbar provides options to format your text, making it bold, italic, or underlined. To use this, simply highlight your text and choose the desired formatting. You can also create bulleted lists or include code blocks when necessary. These formatting options are crucial because they help convey your message more clearly, making important points stand out. Clear communication can significantly improve understanding among team members. Next, let's discuss how to mention coworkers. Type the @ symbol followed by a person's name like @John Doe. This action sends them a direct notification inside a busy group channel. Mentioning someone is vital as it draws their attention to your message, ensuring they don't miss important updates. It's a simple yet effective way to facilitate communication, especially in larger groups where messages can easily get lost. After that, you can add reactions to messages. To do this, hover your mouse cursor over an incoming message and click the smile icon. This allows you to quickly react with emojis like a thumbs up or checkmark. Adding reactions is a great way to acknowledge messages without cluttering the chat with replies. This small interaction can foster a positive atmosphere in your conversations, making collaboration more enjoyable. Next, you have the option to send files. Click the paperclip icon below the text bar to attach documents, screenshots, or spreadsheets from your local drive. This feature is essential for sharing information quickly and efficiently, allowing team members to access important files without leaving the chat interface. When you attach files, it streamlines the workflow, ensuring everyone has the necessary resources at their fingertips. Now, let's view your direct messages. Click on Direct to display only your one-on-one private messages. This feature helps you focus solely on individual conversations without the distraction of group chats. This is particularly useful for managing personal communications and ensuring that important messages don't get overlooked. Finally, use spaces to hide direct messages and focus strictly on group chat project folders. Organizing your chats in this way can help you maintain clarity and keep your work streamlined. By utilizing these features, you can enhance your productivity and ensure effective communication with your team. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Webex Chat.